Dear children, yesterday I was taught you lesson 5th Consumers' Right in Economics. In this lesson, I also taught you right to represent. Redressal agencies under the Consumer Protection Act and ISI and एगमार्क और हॉलमार्क के बारे में बताया था. Now look at the page number 455. Learning to become well-informed consumers. Learning to become well-informed consumers. When consumers become conscious of their rights, them while purchasing goods and services, they will be able to differentiate and make well-informed choice. Hence, they have to acquire the knowledge and skill to be well-informed consumers. The enactment of COPRA. COPRA means Consumers Protection Act has led to the setting of separate Department of Consumers Affairs, central and state government. These departments also contribute consumers aware by different modes. They publish posters as well as separate information about legal process and advertisement on television channels. Taking the consumers movement forward, India has been observing 24th December as a National Consumer Day. It was and on this day that the Indian Parliament enacted the Consumer Protection Act in 1986. India is one of the countries that have exclusive courts for consumers redressal. The consumers movement in India has made some progress in terms of number of organized groups and their activities. At present, there are more than 700 consumer groups in the country, of which only about 20 and 25 are well organized and recognized for their work. However, there are some weaknesses, shortcomings. First, the consumer redressal process is becoming cumbersome, expensive and time-consuming. Second, many a time consumers are required to engage lawyers, hence the consumers avoid. These cases require time for filing and attending the court proceedings. In most purchase cases, memos are not issued, hence evidence is not easy to gather. Moreover, most purchases in the market are small retail sales. Sixth, the existing laws also are not very clear on the issue of compensation to consumers injured by defective products. 7. After 20 years of the enactment of COPRA, consumers awareness in India is separating but slowly. 7. The enforcement of laws that protect workers, especially in the unorganized sector, is weak. 9. Similarly, rules and regulations for working of the market are often not followed. Nevertheless, there is scope for consumers to realize their role and importance. It is often said that consumers movement can be effective only with the consumer's active involvement. It requires a volunteer effort and struggle involving the participation of one and all. Important tasks: look and learn procedure, consumers, retailers, national consumers, dispute redressal, state consumer redressal commission, consumers international, district consumers court, artistic forum, PDS, FS, कोपरा, RTI। इनके बारे में पढ़ें और याद करें। जो समझ में ना आए वो पूछेंगे, और समरी में भी जो दिया हुआ है, समरी के पॉइंट्स भी, उन पर भी ध्यान दें। थैंक्स। नेक्स्ट डे।